In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off autocomplete in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're using Adobe Acrobat DC on Windows or Mac OS, the process is remarkably similar and straightforward. So, let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to have Adobe Acrobat DC open on your computer. Once you have it open, you want to navigate your way to the Preferences section. If you're on a Windows machine, you'll find this under the Edit menu. Just click Edit and then, from the drop-down, select Preferences. If you're using a Mac, the pathway is slightly different, but equally simple. Here, you would go to the Acrobat menu, located in the top left corner of your screen, and from there, select Preferences. Now that we have the Preferences window open, it's time to zero in on the Forms category. You'll see a list of various categories on the left-hand side of the dialog box. Simply scroll through this list until you find Forms. Click on it, and you'll see the relevant options appear on the right-hand side. Look for the autocomplete drop-down option. Now, normally, this setting may be turned on to speed up form filling by suggesting previous entries. However, today, we want to switch it off. Just click on the drop-down and select Off from the options available. While you're here, you might notice an option labeled Remember Numerical Data. If you're not keen on having Acrobat remember any numbers you input into forms, you can also uncheck this box as an additional measure. It's entirely optional, but worth considering if privacy and minimal data retention are priorities for you. Now, let's move on to clearing any previously saved entries, effectively wiping the slate clean. Within the autocomplete section that you're currently navigating, there's an option labeled Edit Entry List. Clicking on this will bring up the autocomplete entry list dialog. Here, you have the choice to either remove all entries, effectively clearing everything Acrobat has stored, or you can manage them more selectively by choosing specific entries you wish to delete. Both options provide a great way to maintain your privacy and ensure your past form inputs aren't cluttering or filling forms automatically in the future. Once you're satisfied with your changes, whether you've turned off autocomplete, unchecked any additional settings, or cleared past entries, it's time to lock it all in. Simply click OK to apply all your settings and close the Preferences dialog, and there you have it. We've navigated through turning off autocomplete in Adobe Acrobat with some optional additional steps to bolster privacy. With these new settings, you'll have more control over your form-filling experience in Adobe Acrobat. Enjoy the new, streamlined interface free from auto-suggestions.